Hi dear friends, I am Jinvachan, belongs to Vimalajyothi Institute of Management Research, Chemberi, Kannur. Today I will be dealing with how to create, save, share the Word format file with the Android platform. So in order to download it, you have to open this Google Play Store. So it is opening. So you can type it. I've already typed. That is where it is coming. So Google Doc. You type it's a Google Doc. It will be opening. So this the Play Store speak about the Google Doc by the Google LLC. So it is the option is available like open just because I have already downloaded it. So otherwise it will be prompted to give download options, so you can click on the download, and that after the download is complete you can open it. So this file application will be like this Google Doc that you can see it. So just to click on after the downloading, you can click open it. So this file will be very be light one, so it will be open. It is opening to the login account. So if you are having a Google Gmail account, so it will be associated with that Google Doc. So these are the documents that is available already created on my behalf. And in order to create a new document, you can click this plus sign on the bottom level. So I am typing, pressing there. There's a features like when we choose template, new Word document, and the new file. So I am, in order to show you what are the features available for this template. These are the CV template. These are the letters template or education. So many features are available, report and etc. The Word work and etc. So I'm putting the work. So the template will be opening. Just wait. So this template will be giving a lot of features like your name and etc. You can edit it up. Otherwise, you can directly go back. So select another template. So instead of selecting the template, I will be moving with the new Word file. So it will be opening a Word file, or you can create a new doc file so it can be saved in any format that you desire. Okay. Now you want to, if you want to make the title, you can put as a title as a demo or any name or your name, etc. Okay. So in order to type this, you can say that this so I can type here by using this sign. This is a Google Doc. Google Doc, I am putting it. So this is a one method where you can use the keyboard. Otherwise, you can use this mic icon on the right hand side. I am clicking on that. Today, friends, I will be teaching you how to use the Google Doc in order to submit the assignment. So that's all. Simply you can talk and it will be typed. And again I can say in order to submit the assignment in time, you have to create this Google Doc and save as per the direction from the faculty. So you have to read it up because there will be a lot of mistake will be there. So Google Doc is set. So you have to write today, friends. Today there is a comma is needed. Friends, I will be teaching you how to use the Google Doc in order to submit the assignment. This okay. So in order to submit the assignments in time, and how to create this Google Doc. So something like that. Okay, I have written like, so I want to make it formatted. So this is a capital letter. So I want to make it capital. Okay. So don't worry about the sentence that I have made, because so it is a centralized one, or aligned, right aligned, left aligned, etc. This is I want to centralize. So these features are available. Okay. Then I want to make it how to create some bold weight. Just select that. So it will be bold. And Google, I want to make it a say underlined. Okay. so many features are available. So Google, I changed it up. Then direction, I want to change into a bigger font, so I am increasing that font. Okay, in order to increase, and I want to change the background color into green. Okay, so anything is possible. Okay, so many features will be available, so you can do it all these features, and these are the facility that is available. Okay, you can put as a this up, down, increase and decrease, all the features are available. So after that, you can go to the layout. This we are putting as a layout, is the layout will be seen, this is a print layout. Others say there will be suggestions will be available, or maybe find document, find and replace. If you are typing here, you will be getting that. Okay, this and typing and search it up and you will be getting. Okay, I'm not moving with that, so the feature will be not will be available. And again, the word count, so an assignment will be having a word count, 40 words, 50 words, etc. So you can use this feature without any counting it up. Then share and export options will be available. So in order to share, you can have the share or share link or copy or save as a document or the make as a copy. So we will be moving how to use it up. For example, save as, you can use a save as format to Word or PDF or open file. All these are features are available. Okay, so if you want to have the move the file to any of the folder, you can do it up. So this is my Google Drive, select destination, I can have any destination. Okay, so I am not using it up. So there is a the star mark you can put as, or you can move. Then something like you can add on, so I can add on, use add on in order to share to the Google Classroom directly. So this moves to the Google Classroom and any assignment that is available, since it is a teachers, so you cannot, so you can just update it to that, or you can save into save and share and etc. I will be sharing it to, sorry, I'm saving this to the Google Doc, etc. So it's again saved back. So after the saving, the file will be open the Google Doc, so it is moves to the Google Doc. Okay, so this is so is that another feature setting in demo. This name is a demo, the add a star, so the star will be added there. So again, share option available, then link share, then again the copy, download, save doc, move, print, then remove, all the features are available. If you want to share, again you can share this feature, or maybe the copy to anybody that is available. For example, you can share, so the people appear will be here. So this is a very easy features, and you can now again move it to, and please do research on this, and this will be very easy feature.